The Dorf Avenue J across Liquor Galore by the famous Satmer meat. Ja, man noch mit in Schwat, man noch gesucht durch Goidisch Uder, but in Satmer Fleisch ist schön Peisig. Ja, in so noch gebencht, haben sie morgen Uder, aber ja schon mal Peisig.
Fully Peisig dick.
Fully Peisig dick. Wow. Gevre, lass mal rangen durch Satmer meat. Jetzt gok, koim kol, ich hab du was sag. Wab shop do, there's a store, the service is A1, the prices are A1, and you deliver all over. Orange Park, Williamsburg, Flatbush, obviously, the Dorf Avenue J.
Orange Park, Williamsburg, Muncie, Monroe. Linden.
Ik ben ook gevre. Ik geef de kind kan ook een job. Ja, it's true.
Ze leven met jede woche naar Florida. Dus dat
every week truck to Florida.
Truck for bigger orders, obviously to Florida, yes.
Gevre, laat maar aanchecken en zien wat dit zich doet de COVID peisig. Hier is gezocht, zoeken we. What's going to when you get the concept already make kushla peisig met een goede zwart.
There's a lot of customers that, I guess they want to keep on calling us in, and we had to do what we need to do.
Dus they're being busy before peisig, they're making orders, they're making simchis, whatever it is that they're being busy before peisig.
Ik vreeg ze niet.
Die vreeg ze niet, but they are cooking now for peisig.
Ah, kijk. Kushla peisig.
No way. No way. Ga ik maar kijken.
Whatever.
Dus hij is een kochchef voor peisig.
Whatever they do, I don't know.
Wow, it's crazy.
Baruch Hashem. Now, okay, I'll give you over the mic to my manager. I'm really not, but deze bestitzig.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Wat zoekst du?
Okay, Chaim, so du in the room, wie wir broiled the Leibit. Hast du the broiler. So als Kasche hat man Fleisch von the fire von hinten, the fire von oben.
Wow.
The Leibit ist in der Mitte, so broiled sich. Pull it out, let him show for the camera, just pull it out.
Wow. Zoekst als kasjes is... Wow, ik heb maar kijken. Woof! Broiled liver, not after the broiled liver. No way. Okay, this was good. Okay, you can put it back.
Put it back.
Get back. The pregel, the broiled liver. Woof! Nog dem, wo sogar gerade vor jetzt.
So jetzt waschen wir auf the Leibit, sie killt das up, sie cleans aus der Blit, man weiß, liver is full of blood. So it cleans off the blood and everything.
Wow.
That's why they're just spraying it with cold water.
Fresh liver, Kevin, nothing like it. Look at this, Kevin, the Leibit. Wow, wo suchst du? The Satmer Leibit is known to be from the best livers, if not the best. Schmeckt der Leibit, the Kuvit Shabbos. Deze alles kushla peisig schon?
Yeah, everything over here is kushla peisig. He's wrapping it up. He's wrapping it up already, ready to go.
Stickelig Bucher, Kevin. Wow, yeah, man, kick. So Simcha, the concept over here is, like Yitzchok, hey, Shatulim, that everything here is a kushla peisig. And somebody wants to start cooking for peisig, can you do kimmen, bestellen an order, and boom, it's delivered to him.
100%. Everything over here is kushla peisig, as you can see. Everything has kushla peisig over here. A lot of people are looking for like Yiddish words on the package, so we put kushla peisig right over here. You see, so you don't mix up between the ashgocha and the kushla peisig. Everything has kushla peisig written on it.
Very clear also on top, kushla peisig. And I think it's the only store I said that's already kushla peisig, fully and totally. Simcha, I see over here two types of roast. Do the French second cut over here, then you have a second cut brisket over here. Two different...
So this is actually, it's called a premium line. This is actually shecht in Uruguay.
Oh wow,
so
Uruguay.
It's much cheaper because the same quality meat, the same kashrus, same everything. And if you order you could get your peisig order up to 40% off.
40% off your peisig order because you're saying it's much cheaper because from Uruguay. Kevin, look at that. They have a full line from Uruguay, up to 40% off from your regular peisig order if you order the Uruguay meat. That's called the premium reserve. That's going to be the new line that they just got in over here. Vusanayas, I like that.
And for Steitzach, we ship all over. We ship to Barbach, Williamsburg, to Flatbush, Avalde, because we're here.
Muncie, Lakewood. Unbelievable.
Kensington, Bensonhurst, wherever you are, we'll ship. Peisig orders, we're shipping to Orlando, Miami Beach, wherever you are for Peisig, you can get your order shipped down there.
Nice.
And if you sign up for the text message, you can get weekly notifications about specials and whatever. And we're giving out a cookbook together with Batya's Kitchen.
Batya's Kitchen, famous Batya's Kitchen?
Famous Batya's Kitchen. We're giving out a cookbook. It's around, I would say, like $50 cookbook in our regular store. If you make your peisig order now, you'll be able to get this cookbook as like a promotion.
Nice, promotional items. If you make a peisig order here, you get a Batya's Kitchen collaboration with Satmer Meats cookbook in your order. 100%. Beautiful. How does somebody order Take?
So you could order through text, through the phone, or through the website.
I'm gonna put the phone number here on the screen and the website here on the screen. You could text and call, correct?
Text and call.
Unbelievable.
And we'll get your order to you.
Chevre, text and call, and they get the order to you to your doorstep, beautifully delivered, the highest standard of kashrus, the highest standard of taste and standards. Shkolich Simcha, the manager's beautiful store. and Bashamish of Nasna Tzlich, they'll machen Paisach, Chasal Siddur Paisach L'chuson. And like you said, the Bati's cookbook's coming out at the end of the week. And if somebody wants to follow up how to get the Bati's cookbook, he should call the number as well.
Call the number, open an account,
Open an account, you'll get the cookbook in your beautiful
specials every week.
Specials is we come with the cookbook auch when the orders do from Sattel Fleisch. Chevret, mal lechtigen Tug.